Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add arrow button in an Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we have simply created a section, and in that section we have simply added a button in the section, right? As you can see, you can also add a button again by clicking on the plus icon in the black header line, right? And you can simply search for button, and you can simply drag and drop this button into the container. So here, as you can see, I have simply added a button widget. Right now, to edit a button, you just need to click on the pen icon in the top right corner, and when you click on that, then in the left side toolbar you find content setting, style setting, and advanced setting, right? So you need to go to the content setting, and here in the content setting you will find the icon option, and here you will find icon library option. You need to click on that, and here in the icon library option you can simply select the arrow button, whatever the arrow you want, right? And you can simply click on insert. Okay, so arrow button have been added. You can also remove the text if you don't want text, or if you want the text on the button, you can simply add the text. So this is how you can add arrow button in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.